Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, as you can see, here's my old doorbell. It is literally falling apart, but it does work. We'll be replacing it with this. This is lighted compared to this one, which isn't lighted. You can see the metal prong is falling apart. Alright, so we're gonna shut off the breaker. I have to find which one it's on. I'm pretty sure it's on outdoor plugs. Weirdly, but... Alright, well, my first guess is going to be basement lights and plugs. I'm pretty sure transformers on that circuit, so you shut that off. You can see emergency lighting turns on. I'll go ahead and look at the doorbell. And there's nothing. I'm just going to grab my screwdriver. There is the transformer, if you're wondering. I don't know if I already showed it. You can see central system is on. I'm gonna shut off because we don't need it. Basically, the house was made in two like this. So this side is its own circuit. This side, you can see, is a different circuit. So the lights are on this side. The lights over here are actually not on the switch leg. So we just don't have anything in them because they'd be on all the time. And we are also gonna grab WD-40 because it's pretty rusted. Boom. Okay, so first off, I got my WD-40. I'm going to spray these. Just get it all inside there, because you can see they're literally black. And I don't really care. It's disconnected, so... Alright, we're going to let that sit for a bit. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. We've let the WD-40 sit. So I'm going to attempt not to break the screws or strip them with... I'm pretty sure it's flathead. Yeah. Alright, let's try. Alright, I was able to get the screw off. You can see the state of it is horrendous. It's almost fully rusted, which is not good. We'll do the other ones. I'm not sure if this one's going to come out as easy because it looks a little worse. Oh. Maybe it will. If I can... Yeah. Yeah, that's really bad. Oh boy, it's pretty tight in there. This actually looks like solid wire. Makes sense. This is probably from the 70s. Oh. Okay. Yeah, that had like no life left in it. And the wires are cut. I suppose that doesn't matter. I can't really replace the wire. You can see it's in there, so get every single one off. I'll try to do this one-handed. Look at the state of this doorbell. Wow. Okay, we're gonna unbox a new one. These are screws, and there's the doorbell itself. Definitely better than what we had. I believe this one's lighted with the packaging. Yep. Alright, let's get it installed. Alright, let's see if I can do this. Okay, alright, so since the wire isn't long enough, I'm gonna have to do a little thing like that, so. Maybe I take the bit off. Gonna screw it in here. I'm gonna line up the holes. So that's what it looks like fully installed. I'm gonna put silicone right there in a few minutes after we test it. So let's go downstairs and test it. Alright, so let's turn back on the breaker. I don't know why my phone's unfocusing again. Alright, well, as you can see, it lights up. Okay, so as you can see, it looks pretty good. I did caulk up in there just a tiny bit so water doesn't get in. You can see it's lighted. It's LED. It looks more of a whiter, warmer color on in person. But we'll give it a test. One ding because it's the rear door. So it works good. For anyone wondering, this is what the unit is. So it's got a chime on the bottom and one on top. And this is what the front door sounds like. This one also lights up. It's a bit clunkier too. Here it is from afar at nighttime. This is the end of the video. I just wanted to thank you guys for watching. Here's what it looks like at night. It's actually pretty bright. It does have a little bit of light bleed on the sides, but it's not that bad. I think it looks pretty good.